Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sowing Dianthus pulmonaris sonata and Dianthus black and white minstrel. First of all, what you need to do, get your compost, fill your tray up, usually just above half, like so. Just give it a little tap down with my hand, not too much, just enough to firm it up, like so. And then a little bit more. I'm running out of trays this year, so I'll be sowing at least 2 or 3 different seed types in each tray, just to save a bit of space. Yeah, because my property's only got so many windowsills. Right, so I've made these up. Dianthus black and white and Dianthus sonata, so down the middle there. That's the halfway point. So just tap it down, doesn't have to be really firm, just so it's a reasonable level surface. So the black and white first. This one is supposed to only got 30 seeds in, so I'm trying not to lose any of these. So let's put it open. Come on. Yep, I think we're in there. Alright, I've not seen these seeds before, so let's have a look, shall we? See what they're like. Here we go. You see them alright? Yeah. I'm not counting them, but I don't think there's 30 there. So a gentle sprinkle all the way around. Try not to get any clumps or anything like that. You can also sow these in single pots if you want to, but this just saves a lot of space. If I'd put 30 little 3-inch pots on the windowsill, I'd have no room at all. Get the last little few out. Give it a quick set. Get in here. No, that's it. So that's Dianthus black and white. It's grown as an annual. So black and white. Right, get that in there so we know which one it is. Right, let's look at these, shall we? The other side. Dianthus pinks pulmonaris sonata. So let's give you the chop on the top. These look really nice in hanging baskets. And I grow these because the scent is absolutely divine. It's a really old-fashioned cottage garden flower. Right, sprinkle them out. Leave a big enough gap in the middle so you don't get confused with what's what. Blowing this. Right, get the rest out now. Look, still a few more left. That's it, totally empty. So that's Dianthus sonata. Once you've sown them on top like that, then you want to get some compost and then gently cover them. Rub it in between your finger and forefingers. Just a nice, even, level thin layer. Should be 7 to 21 days and keep it around 68, 70 Fahrenheit. That's it. Then what you do, give him a spray like this on the top, just to damp the compost, and then just soak them like so into the sink, halfway up, give a good soak for 10-15 minutes, down to the draining board and then onto your windowsill. So that's how to sow Sonata. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you very much, bye.